The leadership in India has to not follow the Western capitalism, but it has to discover its own India-specific capitalism, which means we must continue to discover India solutions to every problem we face. For example, we were talking this morning about manufacturing growth and creating large employments. And everybody was talking of big ticket investment, big requirement of skills, large scale and high technology. If you want an employment revolution in the country to create 10 to 11 million jobs every year, then you need to find an India-based solution. Create jobs in rural sectors where you need modicum of skills, low investment, low skills, but tremendous entrepreneurship. Just make it easy for them to access money at reasonable rates of interest, not 2 or 3 times the rates at which big industry is given money. I believe, I've said that we are moving into a new phase of human enterprise, which I've written in my book, that 500 million people in India will no longer accept poverty as destiny. We will have to change, and the leadership has to change. After all, the companies that in India, I believe that a company which makes only money is a poor company. And we have some of the world's best examples in India who are doing very well on stock exchange and who are working in sync with society and nature and creating employment. I think it's just a thinking process that you need to create a wholeness, a holistic view, and make sure that none of your actions and decisions have an adverse impact on the society in which you perform. This is CII motto, and I represent, I think, the best of our members when I say this.